Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate ESPN Plus with your Disney Plus account. So let's get started. So here we are in hulu.com, and then from here we can already see the Disney bundle right here. So you don't have to worry that we are in hulu.com. You can basically do the same thing with Disney Plus right here. So all you have to do is go into google.com, and from here you type in Disney bundle right here. And from here, you would have it right here from disneyplus.com, Disney Bundle. So you can click on that. But in my case, I would need to sign up or log in first in order for me to see that Disney Bundle. But it's basically the same thing here in Hulu. If you buy this one right here, you'd still get ESPN Plus on your Disney account because you would have to connect everything right here. So this would be the price right here, and then you would get ESPN Plus. So this is what you have to avail. You would have to purchase the Disney bundle right here. So you would get tons of shows and videos with Hulu. Your Disney Plus has your favorite stories right here and your live sports with ESPN. So you would get all of this for this bundle. All you have to do is purchase this bundle right here and save. So yeah, this is the way on how you can do it. So if you would want to purchase it from Disney Plus directly, you would have to go through this link right here, not on hulu.com right here, but it's basically the same thing here, because if you still avail this, you'll still get your Disney Plus bundle on Disney Plus platform. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.